Hi everyone. So I'm going to show you how to add a delivery address to your checkout page. So in the top right-hand corner, you can go to My Account and then again, click on My Account. You can see here that there are two options for clicking on viewing my quotes. So there's an option there, and then there's also My Quotes on the left side. So then this opens up your My Quotes page. Please note that you can search for My Quotes based on quote name or quote number, and then you can also filter it based on the date of the quote. So here you can see the information about the quote that I would like to place an order with. And up here you can also see the main information such as request date, expiration date, the quote name, etc. So I'm just going to scroll through and make sure that all of the products that are in the quote are here. So once verified, I can hit Add All to Cart. So a pop-up comes up that says your cart already contains the quote. A cart can only contain one quote at a time, and since I want to purchase this quote at this time, I will hit Replace Quote to put this quote in my cart. So now the quote is in my cart, and I will double check once again that all of the items are in my cart. And once satisfied, I can hit Checkout. So scrolling down, you can see that there is a delivery address selected. A main issue that a lot of people have been facing is that the delivery address is blank, which means that they cannot place the order because there is no delivery address to ship the order to. So I will show you how to add a delivery address or change your delivery address. So you can go in the top right-hand corner again to the My Account drop-down menu and hit My Account again. And then again, you can see that there are two links. So there's one there to manage your delivery addresses, and then there's another one on the left side called Address Book. So I'll click that and open it, and you can see here that the default delivery address that was for that order is this one here. You can see that it says default address, and then underneath you can see every single other optional delivery address that you can add to the order. So you can see here that if you hit Set as Default, that address will be the default for your order. And you can also edit and delete there as well. So if you don't have any delivery addresses in your account, you can hit Add New Delivery Address, fill out the information with your address, and then hit Add Delivery Address at the bottom. So then it'll bring you back to the address book page, and you can scroll all the way to the bottom to see your newly added address. So there, once you find it, you can hit Set as Default. Your default address was updated, and then you can see that the delivery address is now the newest address that you created. And please note that if you want to change the address has to be changed prior to adding the quote in your cart.